everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am starting Cambridge AS level mathematics lessons. So I will try to cover up according to the syllabus. The first chapter that you have in your syllabus is quadratics. You have done some content about quadratics in IGCSE. So let me just give you your previous knowledge. Let's go back. First topic is factoring quadratics. So quadratic equation, for that you need to know what is quadratic equation. You have done this in IGCSE, that a quadratic equation, an equation of the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals to c is called quadratic equation, where a, b and c are the constant and a cannot be 0. Now you know why a cannot be 0? If a is 0, now if a is 0, then that means this equation will transform into like 0x squared plus bx plus c 0. So that will become a linear equation, right? So that's why this condition is must here, that a is not equal to 0, and a, b and c can be any number. It can be a fraction, it can be rational number, negative number, or whatever. Now how to solve these equations? So next we have solving. The first topic of the quadratic is solving quadratic equations. Solving quadratic equations using factorization, right? So first of all, the first method that I am going to use is difference of the squares. Now you know that formula, you should know that a square plus minus b square is equal to a plus b times a minus b, right? So when you expand these brackets, you are going to get a square minus b square. We will use this method to factorize certain questions. So the first example that I am taking here, we will take the simplest one, x squared minus 1, right? So this can be written as x squared minus 1 square. So using this formula, a square minus b square, now this is your a is x and b is 1, right? So a plus b, a minus b, meaning x plus 1 and x minus 1. So you see, we have factorized this x squared minus 1 into this x plus 1 and x minus 1, right? Let's take another example. Example 2, if we have x squared minus 9. So this is going to be x squared minus, we can write it as 3 square. So now your a is x and your b is 3. So a plus b, a minus b. That means x plus 3 and x minus 3, right? So this is the simplest example. So let's take another example. Like here I can have example 3. We have 16 minus x square, right? So this can also be written as 4 square minus x squared, again giving you 4 plus x and 4 minus x, right? I hope you understood now. So let's see this one, 1 over 100 x squared minus 9. Sometime it doesn't look straight, but you can always find a way. So this is 100 can be written as 1 over 10 x square minus 3 squared. So now this is your a and this is b, right? A plus b, then a minus b. 1 over 10 x plus 3 and then 1 over 10 x minus 3, right? So this is your final answer, okay? Now next one is we can have 9 over 16 minus 9 over 25 x squared, right? So now think about it. What can you do? This can be 3 squared and 4, 3 over 4 square minus 3 over 5 x, there is x here, square. Now what is a? A is 3 over 4 and b is 3 over 5x. So a plus b is 3 over 4 plus b is 3 over 5x, and a minus b 3 over 5x, like this. So this is going to be the final answer, right? Let's consider another example. Let's say we have 32 minus 2x squared. Now what do you think? Do you see like you can convert 32 as a square number or 2x as square number? So if you see directly, you can't convert it, you can't do that. But if you can see, we can do a little modification, or you can say little changes in the equation, writing in another way. If you take 2 common, this is going to be 16 and this is going to be x squared. Now you see, so you have 2. Now this inside we can write this 16 as 4 square minus x squared. So now you have, this is a and this is b, 2 remains as it is. So 4 plus x and 4 minus x. So that is going to be the final answer. Let's take another example like this. So we have this 5 minus x squared. So if you see 5, initially it doesn't seem like you can write it directly, but you see x squared is fine. This 5 can be written as, let's say, 5 square root and the square. Now you see 5 square, this square root and square will cancel, so you will have 5. So this is 5 plus x square root 5 minus x. This is going to be final answer. Now I hope you guys understood this thing. So in the next video we will do the different type of questions. So if there is anything to ask, you can write me in comment section. I will wait for your comments. Thank you so much guys. God bless you. See you in the next video.